represents being. Once something becomes two, existence begins, as it is said that or this universe is a universe of twos. All things come into existence in twos, and when those two observe each other, each of them manifest. There is ala n'igwe, mmadụ na mmụọ, nwoke na nwanyị, and a myriad of other dualities give each other existence and thus enter existence together. Two is therefore the static state of actualization, meaning that I as a person am both mmadụ and mmụọ, as the body has left and right, and the face is a symmetrical, or hopefully symmetrical, union of two equal parts. Everything in the universe has a reflection that allows it to exist. Light exists because there is dark, and dark exists because there is light. There is sky because there is earth, and earth because there is sky. These two pairs come together to form a creative force, positive and negative. And when positive and negative come together, they create a charge, a